Hey guys, what's up? How have you all been? Well, I'm back from my trip, but as you can tell, my skin is not very happy about things right now. It's crank for hell. Let me show you how my face is looking up close. So usually my skin is a lot better behaved, but clearly not right now. So this week I'm gonna give my skin that extra TLC that it needs, and what I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna be using a sheet mask every single day. It's right there in the title of the video itself. So much introduction not required, right? This is day one. I thought, why not start with detox? Okay, so there's a let me just show this to you. So there's a Pond's Vitamin Duo Sheet Mask with vitamin B6. It contains charcoal for detoxing the skin, and it retails for rupees 75, guys. Literally the most economical sheet mask I've seen in the Indian market. Most sheet masks in the Indian market are for rupees 100, 150, 200, 300, you know, it goes on. And what I'm doing right now, I'm just toning my skin. So I've already washed my face. I'm toning my skin, guys. This is very important. Before you use a sheet mask, take off your makeup, clean your skin. Clean skin, very important. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and use this sheet mask on my dry, parched skin. I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, I like that this is black in color. All right, and a lot of excess serum. So I'll just show you what I do with all the excess serum as well. Okay. Okay guys, so done putting on my sheet mask, and I'll leave this on for about 15 minutes. And yes guys, I'll see you guys in exactly 15 minutes. So bye. Okay, so 15 minutes are over. Is my camera focusing? Okay. Oh, the skin feels so refreshed already, you know. This is what I love about sheet masks, guys. You know, they just instantly make you feel so refreshed, so relaxed. And like I just told you, right, there's a lot of excess serum in the package itself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this, all the excess serum, and I'm gonna apply this to my neck. So if you want, you can apply it to your hands, to your dry elbows, you know, whatever, but don't waste it. This serum is precious, it's awesome. This serum can do this to your skin, right? So don't waste it. And then I'm just gonna lock everything in with a light moisturizer. And that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Alright guys, so this is day 2. Do you see any difference in my skin? I feel like my skin has responded really well, although I just used it for one day. So this is day 2, and today's sheet mask is the Pond's Vitamin Duo Sheet Mask for brightening. It contains vitamin C, and this is what I will be using today. So okay, I just realized that the color of this matches with this. That's interesting, right? Okay, so we're gonna take out the sheet mask right here. What's up guys? So this is day 5, and here's how my skin is looking right now. And this is what I'll be using today, the vitamin A variant designed for plumping your skin. So let me quickly tell you guys, the Pond's sheet masks, they actually come in 5 variants, which is why you'll be seeing me use like a different variant every single day. And these are the 5 variants. Now honestly guys, you know, I actually picked up these sheet masks initially because first of all, I think I already mentioned this on the day 1. They retail for rupees 75, and this is the most economical sheet mask that I have seen in the Indian market. So I really want to give it a try. Plus biodegradable. Like on a completely different note guys, whenever you're picking up sheet masks, look for something which is biodegradable. Like why add to environmental pollution and, you know, landfills when you can pick up biodegradable sheet mask, right? So these are the 2 things that really caught my attention. But honestly, if you see, I feel that my skin has been responding gloriously, splendidly the last 4 days of using it. Today is day 5, right? And it's exotic, like it's affordable, but it's exotic. So guys, I've already cleaned my skin, and I'm just gonna dab essence on my skin. Now this is not mandatory, but I just realized that since I'm doing this video sheet mask, let me just show you different ways of using it. not mandatory at all. Okay, after cleaning your skin you can apply the sheet mask directly, or if you want you can add you can use a light essence, you can use a water based serum also before using your sheet mask. You can totally do that too. This is especially for people with extra dry and dehydrated skin. Okay, and now that I have applied my essence, I'm gonna go ahead and use my sheet mask. So this particular one with vitamin A is designed for plumping the skin. Oh, my skin is loving these sheet masks, guys. By the way, these sheet masks are all paraben free, alcohol free. They are all dermatologically tested, and they also contain 100% natural extracts. They also contain vitamins. In case you're wondering what these different vitamins do for your skin, let me actually just show you this little slide. You can pause the video to check it out to read this more in detail. Okay guys, time for the moment of truth. This is how my skin is looking right now. Before proceeding, let's do a quick before after comparison, because these comparison shots are always so much fun, right? Honestly though, I think I started seeing a difference right from the first use itself. It was very much evident, and progressively the skin just kept getting better and better. Isn't it amazing, guys, how you can get itne se itna glow? Itne se itna glow. It is so amazing how a sheet mask can completely transform the skin. The skin looks hydrated, fresh, happy, plump, healthy. It looks so much better. Now I'll tell you why sheet masks work really well, okay? Like in this case, we had sheet masks with 15 times moisturizing serum, right? And you're wearing it for 15 minutes. So for 15 minutes, this serum is getting gradually released into your skin and being pushed into your skin for your skin to absorb. Otherwise, you know, when you just use a serum, it will escape into the air a little bit, but it does escape into the air. In this case, for 15 minutes your skin is getting treated with the moisturizing serum. Obviously your skin will come out looking much better, much brighter, healthier, happier. And when you're doing it regularly, obviously the results will be even more enhanced. Like, I'll tell you very honestly, guys, I just washed my face and that's all I have done. I have not applied anything else on my skin, and this is how my skin is looking. It's literally glowing. Like right now it's glowing, but it's also very soft. Like when I'm touching my skin, I can feel it's soft, it's healthy, it's supple, you know. A few tips that I want to share before ending this video, because I think sheet masking is such an important thing to learn about when you're learning skincare. Number one, like I told you already before, I think that after applying a sheet mask, lock it in with a moisturizer. Okay, don't wash it. Like the first time I remember I was using a sheet mask, I didn't know. I used a sheet mask and then I washed my face. Don't do that. That will just take away everything. You don't want to do that. Instead of washing your face, lock everything in with a moisturizer. And if you have dry skin, you can use hyaluronic acid moisturizer at this point as well if you want. Not necessary, but if you want, you can use that. At this point, hyaluronic acid will work magically for your skin. Okay, if you want to do that. And when you're using a sheet mask, obviously, you know, like make sure it's well fitted. That goes without saying. Don't keep lifting it, checking, oh, how my skin is looking. Please don't do that. And of course, whatever excess serum is there, massage it into your skin like I was doing every single time. Whatever excess serum is there in the packaging, you can take it, you can use it on your neck and everywhere else. So you can make the most out of your sheet mask and, you know, all the excess serum that is there. And that's pretty much all that you have to do. And that's what I want to share in today's video, guys. In case you're wondering about the Pond's sheet masks, personally, it was my first time trying them out as well. And I am really impressed with the results, because the results are right in front of you. How can you not be impressed by these results? I think because they contain vitamins, they are enriched with vitamins, and is designed so well, you get amazing results, right? So guys, what I'll do is I'll put all the links in the description box below. I would recommend, if you really want to take sheet masking seriously, pick up all the different variants, because every day is a different skin concern, and also you are feeling in a different mood. So depending on what your skin needs, what you're in the mood for, keep switching things up instead of just using the same variant every single day. And yeah, that's about it. All the links, all the details in the description box below. If you have any questions about the sheet masking techniques or my experience about Pond's sheet masks, let me know in the comment section below, guys. I would love to get back to you. I would love to help you out. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye.